Hello there, blueberry pie and muffins. I've got a question here and I really want you to focus in with me. We are using the Zoomer action from Raluca Maria. What a beautiful name. Hi, Sami. Hello to you. Why is your view that if it gets approved, Raluca is asking, why is it that when the Bitcoin spot ETF gets approved by BlackRock, why will it be the end of a bull run? I might have got this wrong, but is that what you actually meant? So yes, and here I am saying that's how the scammers work. They buy on the news, they sell after. This is true, my friend Raluca. I'm going to tell you right now. So information hits the market. So you are a peanut brain like me, all right? You are a peanut brain, and me and you, we are with, I'm going to show you right now. There is a peanut brain, okay? And then there's going to be as well, there's going to be a whale, all right, which is the insider. And this whale is also going to be a snake. They're hissing around. It's a whale and a snake in one. It's some magical creature. And as well, there's going to be a normal-sized brain person. This is the retailers, okay? Normal-sized brain. So these people are going to be existing in the marketplace with us. This is literally everybody, all right? So you have me and you. We have the whales. These are the big people. And then we have the normal-sized brain people. Now, here's the thing. When information gets released, so here we are all in the market, okay? This is us in the market. We are all hanging around in the market. And then you have Bitcoin, okay? We are in Bitcoin. Information has just come out. So Bitcoin spot ETF application, okay? Just the application. So this is what happens, okay? What you think is going to happen is, you probably expect market goes up, and then when it gets announced, it's the start of the bull run and the market keeps going up. Markets don't work like that. Unfortunately, this is what happens. Unfortunately, it's all a scam. What happens is, now that the Bitcoin spot ETF is approved, do you see down here, right, this zone that we're in? Now that the Bitcoin spot ETF is approved, most likely, and not even most likely, I'll tell you right now, I will bet all three of my testicles right now, the deep insiders who are going to scam us with big media news articles and videos and all these entertainment and jelly beans and cookies, they're going to be dumping on us in 2024 or 2025 at some point. They are buying today. They are buying now. The market prices in the future. So when you are interpreting information, you can't be waiting for it to finally be confirmed. That is the very, very end. In this world, especially markets, because everybody's competing with each other, those who take the risk get the reward. So right now, what's the risk? The risk is that the Bitcoin spot ETF never happens. Okay, so you're going to get the reward if it does happen. You get in now. This is what happens. Okay, so this whale, they're getting in right now. Me and you, we are peanut brains. Okay, there's two of us here. We're actually going to be me and Raluca are going to be right here. Me and you are peanut brains. You already know. Okay, see, we are more sexier than these whales. You see, we've been buying when everybody was losing their mind. This is how ahead of the game I am. I was buying down here when everybody was saying, FTX is a scam. I was telling everybody, this big bang is the end of the bear market. People were saying to me, interest rates are too high. People were saying to me, the whole industry is a scam. People were saying to me, no one's ever going to buy. And I said, yes, yes, yes. And people also said to me, you're a peanut brain. I said, yes, I am. I'm still buying. I'm still long. I'm not getting out. Because when weak hands get out, that's the best reason to get in, friends. Weak hands get out. Has nothing to do with the news. Nothing to do with Bitcoin spot ETF. Nothing to do with money printing. Nothing to do with interest rates. Nothing to do with anything. The fact that weak hands are out, you get in. I promise you, the narrative gets invented later. Okay? Now we have the Bitcoin spot ETF. No one was talking about a Bitcoin spot ETF here on the FTX thing. No one. I'm telling you right now, this is buy low, sell high. Buy low, sell high. When you buy low, it doesn't say buy low and imagine a narrative of Bitcoin spot ETF for money printing. No, it just says buy low. Okay, that's what it is. And when you sell high in the euphoria, it's not wait for the bad news. It's sell in the good times because bad news will eventually come. Now, when we are interpreting this information, right, with these Bitcoin spot ETF, these smart whales, the snakes, they are buying now. They are starting to get in now. Okay, I promise you right now, they are getting in right now. They're probably already in, by the way. They're probably already in. This is just like, now their friends are getting in, right? The little lesser snakes. they are getting in, okay? And eventually they're going to keep buying and buying and buying. And then as we get a certainty, they're going to start talking to Garbage Gensler, right? They're going to start tipping him on the OnlyFans. He's going to be doing some light shows at night. He's going to be in a pink bikini and all the other jizz jazz. They're going to get some insider information that me and you can't get. And then these people, they're going to be having a sandwich, a jelly bean sandwich with Garbage Gensler on a park bench. And then they're going to ask him, hey, when do you think we should be applying for it? And obviously it'll be off the record and he'll be saying, oh, I think like October is usually a good time. Now, none of this will ever be recorded. So then BlackRock or ETF, they will know, okay, like we should be applying, wink, wink, right, to get ready for, say, October of 2024. Now, I'm just making the dates. Me and you don't know the dates. Okay, so here, I've got the arrow here. And surprise, surprise, you see these green lines? All the big money has been buying. Buy, 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 buy. And then the weak hands finally wait for the very end when there's an actual official date of like they're waiting for official, right? Bitcoin spot ETF date. Approve, reject. There will eventually be an official date, like a day or a week or a month. And then on that moment, finally, everybody believes. The retailers, see these all the normal-sized brain people, they're all going to be like, yes, yes, me and my normal-sized brain. The jelly bean sandwiches are so yummy. The bull run is just starting. But what I don't know is the market has now priced that in. You are only buying for that Bitcoin spot ETF, but now you are wrecked. You are the exit liquidity. This is how the game works. This happens in every asset class. This happens in stocks, everything. This is how it works, friend. This is why there is no free lunch in crypto, in anything. There is no free lunch. You got to take the risk. This is why I was yelling like a madman. You got to buy in the depression. This is why I keep saying buy in the depression. You got to buy now, buy now. By the way, just to let you know, we are still in a depression. We are still in a risk zone. I am the one telling you that BlackRock, Black BBC have a 99.8% success rate with the Bitcoin spot ETF approval. But it hasn't seeped into the collective mindset of everybody else out there. But I know this will. Okay? I know this will. So if I know it, eventually everybody's going to realize it. Everybody's going to talk about it. It's going to be on all the big YouTube influencers. They're going to be like, oh, Bitcoin spot ETF is pretty much confirmed. Don't forget, in my YouTube channel, because you're a baby doll baby cake, don't forget, man, in my literal video, I've said to you here, I've said the Bitcoin spot ETF here, breaking Bitcoin spot ETF, pretty much confirmed because of their 99.8% success rate. Now, when this eventually happens, it's usually the end. This happened in the 2017 market. The CME futures for Bitcoin launched literally on the top, and then bang, the bear market came. You know what else happened? The Bitcoin futures ETF happened up here. And guess what? That was the top. So that's what happens, friend. This is unfortunate, but this is just how the game is, okay? The game is very nasty. It's very sneaky. But hey, this is why if you take the risk, you get the reward. And it's very unfortunate. When I say get the reward, yeah, it means when the Bitcoin spot ETF is here, we're probably exiting, okay? So that's why I've planned it from now. I've planned it for now, and you can see that this is the way that it might happen, right? We might get some pop-up here, and that's the end. Hope that answers the question for you. Like, subscribe, bell button, all. Catch you in the next one.